Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today we are making peanut butter dainties. This recipe goes back to the Great Depression, and this recipe only has 3 ingredients. The ingredients are 1 cup peanut butter, 1.5 cups powdered sugar, and 4 egg whites unbeaten. I'm only making half of the recipe. So I'm using half a cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, and 2 egg whites. They call these dainties because they're a very light cookie, and the ladies used to like to have them with their afternoon tea. I like to show you my vintage Tupperware egg separator. I won this many years ago at a Tupperware party. Now I'm going to show you how it works. You just put the egg in there in the separator, and the egg whites will come pouring through, and then just the egg yolk remains. Very simple and easy to use, and one of my favorite tools. And sometimes you just have to shake it a little bit to loosen the egg whites. So see, now it's done, and I'll put it in the egg yolk in this little bowl. And now see, the whites are in there. And now I have to do another egg. So put it in the separator. And give it a little shake. And before you know it, it's all done. Nice and easy. To make these cookies, I just mix everything together in the bowl. The confectionery sugar, the egg whites, and the peanut butter. Very simple. And you don't have to beat the egg whites ahead of time, which makes it even simpler. Get every last drop of the peanut butter out. Okay, that's that. Got most of it all out now. And now just mix it with my wooden spoon. The recipe says to cream it together well. The recipe does not say what size eggs to use, but I used 2 large eggs. This is what the batter looks like after it's mixed, and it's a little on the stiff side. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees, and that's the noise you hear in the background. Next, I'm dropping small teaspoons on parchment paper. This is what the cookie dough looks like on the cookie tray. Once the oven temperature reaches 350, I'll put them in the oven. Now I'm putting the cookie dough in the oven. I'm baking them for 20 minutes or until they're done. This is what the cookies look like when they come out of the oven. You can see how nice they grew. I'm going to take them off the cookie sheet and put them on a cooling rack. I'm going to let them cool on the rack. The cookies are soft when they come out of the oven, and then when they cool, they crisp up. They get crispier as they cool.
Grandma's gonna taste these cookies with a cup of tea. How do they taste, Grandma?
I'll let you know in a minute, Pa. These are a very good cookie. They're nice and crunchy. I like crunchy cookies, and they have a delicious peanut butter flavor, and they're not too sweet at all. And these are perfect with a cup of tea. Outside of the cookie is crunchy, but the inside is soft. This is my favorite cookie since I love peanut butter, and it's not too sweet, and I like the crunch and the softness combined. I can see why the ladies like these cookies as an afternoon snack with a cup of tea. They are nice and light and delicious. With just 3 ingredients, you can't go wrong making these cookies, and they're so delicious. Now I'm going to try dunking mine in a cup of tea. A perfect dunking cookie also. They taste delicious dunked, and they, as you can see, they don't fall apart. So for half the recipe, it made 14 cookies. The cost for the peanut butter was 52 cents. The cost for the sugar was 30 cents. The cost for the egg whites was 17 cents. So the total cost for the 14 cookies was 99 cents. So that means each cookie was 8 cents. So you can't beat that.